Autumn, a season of change. Autumn, the third season of the year, marks a transition from the vibrant warmth of summer to the crisp coolness of winter. It's a time of change, both in nature and in our hearts. As the days grow shorter and nights longer, the world around us transforms into a breathtaking palette of warm hues. Trees, once adorned with lush green leaves, begin to shed their colorful coats. The reds, oranges, and yellows of autumn foliage create a stunning visual spectacle that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. The crisp air carries the sweet scent of fallen leaves and the promise of a new beginning. Autumn is often seen as a time for reflection. As the natural world slows down and prepares for winter, we too are invited to pause and consider the changes in our own lives. It's a season of gratitude for the abundance of summer and a time to embrace the tranquility of the coming months. The changing seasons are caused by the Earth's tilt on its axis as it orbits the Sun. As the northern hemisphere tilts away from the Sun, the days become shorter and the temperatures cooler. This decrease in sunlight triggers a chemical change in leaves, causing them to change color. Whether you enjoy hiking through colorful forests, sipping on a warm beverage while watching the leaves fall, or simply curling up with a good book, autumn offers something for everyone. So, let's embrace the beauty and tranquility of this season and make the most of it.